A bottle of cold drink containing 200 ml of liquid in which CO2 is 0.1 molar. This solution is there. Suppose CO2 behaves like an ideal gas. The volume of the dissolved CO2 at STP is. So let us solve this. Let us write the data given. The volume of the liquid, that is the cold drink, A is equal to 200 ml. Let us convert here itself in liters, because in the molarity formula the volume is to be substituted in liters. So it will be 200 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. And the molarity of CO2 in the liquid, that is the cold drink, is given as 0.1. We all know that molarity is equal to number of moles divided by volume in liter. So let us substitute. Molarity is 0.1. Number of moles of CO2 we have to calculate. And then volume in liter of this solution, the cold drink, is 200 ml, which is nothing but 200 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. So this data we have substituted in the formula of molarity, which is known to us. Okay, we will calculate the number of moles of CO2 in this 200 ml of the cold drink. So number of moles will be equal to 0.1 into 200 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is nothing but equal to 0.02. So number of moles of CO2 in 200 ml of the liquid, that is the cold drink, is 0.02. Now, the next thing given in the question is, suppose CO2 behaves like an ideal gas, the volume of the dissolved CO2 at STP would be what? We all know that at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure condition, 1 mole of ideal gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. So we have to find out for 0.02 moles of CO2. So it is known that 1 mole of ideal gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume at standard temperature and pressure condition. So what volume? 0.02 moles of the ideal gas. In this case, CO2 is supposed to be ideal gas. It will occupy what volume? So 0.02 moles of the ideal gas, which is nothing but CO2 in this case, will occupy what volume at STP? Okay, so this we have to calculate. So the volume which would be occupied by CO2 if it is acting as ideal gas at STP condition would be, we have to do cross multiplication, this multiplied by this divided by this. So the volume of CO2 at STP will be equal to 0.02 into 22.4 divided by 1, that is coming to 0.448 liters. So if CO2 is acting as ideal gas then at STP, the volume of the dissolved CO2 in this solution would be 0.448 liters.